madam.
Hi guys, welcome to my stairs.
There you go. Okay. God, Alisa's. Oh, it's Alisa's next. We're here again to my favorite hotel in COMOX. Ta-da! Look at the room. Oh my god. Hi. It's 1 a.m. here in COMOX, British Columbia. So I'm a bit tired. I'm a bit sleepy, but I'm still gonna give you a little bit of tour here in my hotel. So this is the washroom. I'm just gonna give you a tour real quick. Hi there. So this is their washroom. Stock up towels. What I like about here in COMOX, they have separate bathtub to their shower, which is really pretty neat. Right? They do have the stand-up shower and bathtub, which is really nice. Stock up towels. It's so cozy. Actually, I'm gonna use that one tomorrow. That's for sure. Not tonight, because I'm a bit sleepy. Okay, so let's go to the heaven side of this hotel. So the heaven side is this one. Yes, this is the heaven side. They have the bathrobe, which is really good, and their mini dining table in there, and their living room. I like the ceiling. The ceiling is quite a little bit high. See, it's so nice. It's so cozy. It's beautiful. And their TV. This is their mini living room. So they have this couch here, and of course my favorite spot here is the fire stove, and then their mini office and their mini kitchen. Wow, it's actually good that they do have this microwave, because I need that for my lunch tomorrow, breakfast. And they do have this mini fridge. I'm gonna take a look at their mini fridge. Oh, let's see what they have here. This is what I like. I mean, whenever I have layover here in COMOX, because they do have free breakfast or free food in the fridge. See? Apple, granola, and an apple juice. This is pretty awesome, right? So we're gonna save that for tomorrow morning. And then I'm gonna put my ice back in there. Perfect. So this is their mini kitchen. As you can see, it's so pretty neat. And this is their mini cabinet, and that's, as you can see, my uniform is already in there, and my coat and my luggage. And oh my, the phone is ringing. Let's answer it. Hi. Yes. to show you something. The view from my room. I'm here, by the way, in NANAIMO, and we'll see the view here. Wow! Oh my God! It's such a beautiful view. Oh my God, NANAIMO, I love you. Hi everyone. So we just arrived here in NANAIMO, and we're gonna give you a quick tour here in my room because it's so gorgeous. I just want to share it with you guys. We're actually going to find a restaurant where we can eat, now to go for a walk and to get something to eat because I'm hungry. So my other FA will wait for me downstairs, but anyway, I gotta give you a quick tour for a bit, and then let's go and take a look at my room. So by the way, this is my outfit for today to go for a walk here in NANAIMO. Right? Simple. Okay, so this is my room. This is the view from my room. Oh my God, you will love this. Oh my God. Isn't it lovely? It's gorgeous. Oh my God, this is my view from my room. Oh my God, I can't wait for the summer though. I don't know if I can open this. Let's see if I can open this thing. Oh yes, we can open it. Oh wow, this is so nice. Oh my God, what a beauty. Oh my God, I love the view from my room. Oh my God, the NANAIMO is beautiful. Very gorgeous weather. I think it's plus 10 here right now. What a gorgeous, hey? Oh my God, I can't wait to go for a walk. I'm hungry. Oh man, this is so beautiful. So I showed you my room, so it's gorgeous obviously, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going downstairs because Elisa is waiting for me, and we're going to Red's restaurant. They said it's really good cafeteria. I'm not sure if it's a restaurant or a bakery or NANAIMO. So, alright, see you later, alligator. Bye. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good you? Anywhere you like.
Guys, this is what you call veggie variety Mexican version. Navajo. Sige, go. Ikaw na ipa-vlog ko. Go.
You're the pilot.
Okay, madam.
Hi guys, welcome to my stairs.
There you go. Yeah, verde is manga? Mango?
Green. No.
Vera?
Es verde.
We're going on day 3.
Pero
Huh? No, it's video.
Iris, we're pro what?
Huh?
We're pro what?
Pro happiness!